Hello WordPress people, so welcome back to another video of WordPress and AI series. It's been long, I had some other stuff to do, but now I'm resuming this series again. In my last video I showed you how we can create custom abilities for our WordPress site to handle through AI agents. Let me show you a small demonstration. So yeah, this is the custom ability we have created where we can fetch the count of published post. So whenever I ask get post count, it will get number of published post. But I have some post under the draft and some post under the trash as well. So how we can implement that as well? We can specifically ask AI agent for bring draft count or bring trash count. So for that we have to give the input to the AI agent. So how do we do that? So I'm gonna continue with our custom abilities. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. Otherwise continue watching this video. So here we have created a callback, and in that callback we are just getting the published count. Now what we are gonna do, there is a preference or argument called input schema. So input schema is like a type of data which we want to accept through our custom ability API. So for example, in our case, I'm gonna give my input that I want only trashed count or I want only draft count. So the trashed and draft is input given by me to the ability API. But for that, ability API needs to know which inputs they need to accept. So for that, we have to use this input schema. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this entire input schema and we will make changes as per our requirement. So here I'm gonna add input schema. Type should be object, and here we can give our input name. So I'm gonna say post status, and post status, the status of the post published draft. I'm gonna remove this pending private and I'm gonna say trash, and default is publish. Let me get rid of this. So I just want only one property at the moment, which is type of status, and it will be required one. Default will be publish. So this tells API abilities API that post status is required. Additional property, I'm keeping this as false at the moment. I don't know the use of this at the moment, but we will later on understand what this is. So we have now input as post status. We can add as many as we want as per our requirement. Now this input is accepted by this callback function. So what we are gonna do is we will accept. So we will have those inputs, whatever we pass over here as a properties, we get array of those properties. And now we can have, so post status, so key will be what we add over here. So default I am keeping publish. Even if we don't do that, default will be taken from here. And then I'm just getting count of related post. So if we tell AI that just draft, get the count of draft, so it will pass draft as a post status and it will bring the count of draft only. So our implementation is done. Once we do that, we have to restart the cloud again. So I'm gonna restart it, and yeah, this is the documentation I have been following. So I'll be providing this link into the description section. So let's refresh this, get the post count. So it will execute it. Let's wait. It says 0 published post on the local site. Want me to check draft or trash post 2. I will fix this. I think I passed published. Sorry, here it should be context, and let me remove the default one. Let's just confirm. Enum should be fine. Not sure why it did not work. But let's say, okay, I make changes. Just keep as it is. Let me quit and restart again. Let's start new chat. Can you access my local WordPress site? Interesting. Setting developer. It is running. I don't have direct access on machine. Said I do see WordPress related tool that looks like it could interact with. Yes. So yeah, MCP name is WordPress local. So it is basically, it has access to my WordPress site. So now I'm gonna say get post count. It says 0 published post. Want me to check draft or trashed as well? So let's say yes for now. Okay, everything is giving me 0. Let's try this. context, and let's restart this. Get posts count. Still 0. Type string is correct. Okay, I think this is not required. Sorry. So let's keep as it is. My bad. This is not the correct way. Now this is correct. So now it should get the correct number. Sorry about that. My mistake. So can you access my local WordPress? Yes. So get me posts count. So total 43 published post, which is correct. But it did not ask us for other. Let's try to ask get trashed count. Okay, 2 in post trash. How many in draft? So in draft it is 20. So basically it is working fine now. Only problem was that I was passing this post status over here, which was wrong. So yeah, this is how it works, input schema. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.